Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can see your screen time on the Nokia 5. To see your screen time, simply go into Settings, scroll down to Digital Wellbeing, tap on it. Here you will see your screen time. If you want to see detailed data, simply click on it and you'll be able to see a graph. Here you'll be able to see each of the apps you opened, the notifications received, as well as the times opened of each and every app. If this video has been helpful to you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.